Welcome to dbaPlatform. Today we'll be demonstrating how to accept the Google Merchant Center request from dbaPlatform. You will have already provided us with an email address that has access to the Google business profile we are looking to connect. Then dbaPlatform will have sent a request to your business profile manager from our Google Merchant Center. This is a walkthrough for accepting that request. First, log into the email address you provided, then proceed to the Business Profile Manager. Once here, go to the linked accounts on the left. Here you'll see a request from vla@dbaplatform.com. Approve that request. If you are a single location, going to the Business Profile Manager may take you directly to the front-facing Google profile. If it does, go to the Kebab menu or the three dots menu. From here, go to the Business Profile Settings, and then proceed to the Linked Accounts option, and approve the request from there.